chick, you can book with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is passports, international shoes. Hit the resorts, I can stay at both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick to switch my room up, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta work, I make travel moves. No 9 to 5, I make travel.
What's up, MVM Army? It's your girl Shantae, and back with another banger. So today is going to be a quick video. It's actually a review on something that I ordered, and so I said I would do a review on it. So let's get into the video. Today's review is on Dola hair. I purchased this on Facebook. I have been watching them for a while, so I was like, let me purchase this headband wig and see what it do. So let's get right into it. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel down below, and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. They all will be down below. When you first open it up, it's a cute little box. It says hello gorgeous. And when you first get into it, we have wig caps. We have, this looks like a brush with a mirror. It came with a free wig headstand when I purchased mine, actually. So I have this little headstand I'm gonna use. And an edge comb brush and tool. It came with a Dola hair edge wrap. Thank you, girls. Oh, guys. And it actually came with 3 of these. There's 2 of these and this one. And finally, we get into the wig. So, like I said, share it. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Instagram. And so this is how it looks. Let's take this off. That's how that looks. So let's feel it. So the headband, this is the headband that's attached to it. Goes like that. So we're gonna get this bad boy put on. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna start with the wig cap. And at first I was gonna put, as you can see, I've cut my passion twist down because I'm gonna take them out. I may have to cut them down a little shorter, but I didn't want it to look bulky, so we're gonna see if I actually need to put them in a ponytail or if I can get away with it like this. I'll just tuck it in there. I have a business travel event today. I'm so excited. I have guests coming to share the opportunity with them. Okay guys, we're back. So now, to lay these edges real quick. Trying to rush it. I want to be late to my event. It's at least a 20+ minute drive. And it starts at 11. So, your girl, as y'all can see, hope you can see, just lay those, push those edges back, you know. That. That. Here. Kept that. Yeah. This is a rush job, but get Alrighty, let's get into this headband. So we're going to take the wig. The clip. Yes. Actually, I'm gonna put this under the hair, so I'm gonna set this easier. And the final touch. My headband. Voila. Your girl's ready for the event, so now let me get dressed. If you like this, which I do, the hair is soft. It feels great. I'm going to get me a few more, some longer ones. I think you should order this from Dola Hair. It came pretty quick. And like I said, you actually got the hair. You actually got 2 wig cap packs. So you got 4 wig caps in total. You receive your Dola hair head wrap. You know, if you want to lay your edges down. Actually, something that I should have done, but I was in a rush. So you got 3 headbands, 2 of the leopard kind or cheetah kind, and 1 of these. And I actually got this brush to comb the hair out. I'm actually going to open it for you guys. I said I would do a full review. It's like this. I'm going to carry this in my purse, and the brush opens like that. And finally, I said a headband. It tells you how to put it together. You see the pieces, and it tells you how to put it together real quick and simple. And then finally, another edge brush. I love the edge brushes. So, if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.